Let's talk about it. My name's Lana from Lana Lash Studio from Jacksonville, Florida. I went to Lash Social in Atlanta, Georgia last weekend. So Lash Social is a little bit different from LashCon. Just a little bit, not too much, but if you've never heard of LashCon is a convention for beauty enthusiasts. Tons of vendors, there's tons of classes, there's tons of people to meet, and Lash Social is that, but more personal. Lash Social was in Atlanta, Georgia this year, and I had the opportunity to go. And if you've never been to Atlanta is really, really cool. It was so beautiful there. The weather was great. I will definitely go back to Atlanta. Here are the prices. There are two prices for the tickets. Ticket prices for just a normal price ticket is just $100. And if you want to get a little goodie bag like I did, it is only just $100 more. That's only $200. I have not looked at anything in this bag yet, and we are gonna go through what is in this bag. It's kind of like a mystery bag. Also too, I do want to say with the vendors at Lash Social, they were super nice, super willing to communicate with other people, teach other people. There was a Labubu station that I saw, and I do love Labubus. I still love Labubus even if they are off the rockers right now. You know that I have to talk about Lightheart for a bit. Lightheart, their booth was just amazing. Lightheart, chef's kiss for like literally everything that they do. So what does $200 worth of a ticket look like? Technically, this bag is worth $100 because the normal price ticket is only $100. So this should also be worth $100 or more, hopefully more than $100. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm grabbing is this little cute bag full of PLA stuff. I could already see. These are the PLA Limitless Super Fine Lashes. They also gave me tweezers, which is a big plus because we always need tweezers. These are Pro-Made lashes. These are the 5D Angel Lashes from Thousand Lashes. Definitely be using these. This is a little baby lash glue. It is so cute. I've seen a bottle actually this small before, but this is also from Thousand Lashes. Looks like we have some whipped shampoo. This is from Elaine, and it is in the scent lemon. Oh. We got some bubbles. We actually got the bubbles after when everything was like pretty much done, and who can deny bubbles? Wow. This is a great bubble. Can you see that? That is a perfect bubble. This is some Prolong eyeliner, and Prolong is honestly the best brand that you can work with for shampoo and anything that is oil-free. I use personally Prolong for my shampoo. So these are colored lashes from Lash Pimp. They are in pink and red. These are CC Mix and D Mix. You definitely want to get into more colored lashes. Next, speaking of colored lashes, we have Lashbox LA. This is in the color blue, and this is like a deep blue. Also, these are in L+. I've never really used L+ before, but they look super fine and super pretty, and I cannot wait to, oh, we got an intruder here. We have this cute little bag from Butterfly Kiss. It looks like we just have some spoolies, glue rings, and some tape, which we always need. This is from LAB, Lashes and Beauty. This is a Forever Bond, and it looks like the scent is actually banana, just because it has a banana on it. I'm actually going to smell this, just to see. I actually feel like it doesn't have a scent to it, which honestly, sometimes not having a scent to a product is a little bit better. But yeah, we got a bonder. Next, we have a sample of T. Charnis lashes. It's super cute, honestly. I like these like little mini trays. Oh my God, these are so cute. This is a tweezer. It is a little Labubu tweezer, which is so cute. I love the little charm on it. We have another lash tray from Bombini, another for the collection. This is a little mini sample from Lashies. I hope I'm saying that right, but these are tinsel lashes. I have been seeing a lot of people use tinsel lashes, and I don't think I have my hands on any tinsel lashes right now, but this is great to start out. Next, we have another product filled with Lashbox LA products, and I actually do really love Lashbox LA. And it looks like in here too that we have also a mixed tray filled with the Cashmere Fox mink lashes. Comes with a super bonder, which we always love a good super bonder here. What is this? This is also another little bonder. What is this? Liquid magnetic eyeshadow. Is this really eyeshadow? Ooh, it is in the color Bubble Please. I want to see what it looks like. Whoa, this is cool. Oh, interesting. We also got another tweezer from Thousand Lashes. We also got a brow brush. Next we have Lightheart's Lexi tweezer, and I already have this, but I already know that I am obsessed with this. I'm so excited to have another one, honestly, because you always need a good Lexi tweezer. So this is the product that I bought from Lightheart. I did see at their booth that they had their brand new Lightheart Growth Serum, and I had to snag my fingers on it because I just had it. I had to get it. This is soon to be released. I don't know if it's gonna be released when I post this, but it is soon to be released. Maddie, I know for sure, has been working on this for so long, and now it's finally out. Last but not least, we have a shirt from Lightheart. This is so cute. It is a little shirt. Maddie's sister actually made this shirt. The shirt says, "Girls just want to get lashed," and I totally feel that because we do just want to get lashed. So yeah, this is all I got from the Lash Social bag, and let's actually see how many products that we actually got. We got 11 lash extensions. We got 5 tweezers. We got 5 liquids, meaning primers, bonders, glues. We also got miscellaneous stuff like eyeliners, eyeshadows, all that fun stuff. Is the VIP bag actually worth it at Lash Social? The answer is yes.